Imagine a world where integrations are seamless and custom-built solutions are a thing of the past. Experience the power of accelerated pre-packaged integrations. SAP S4HANA Cloud Public Edition, SAP Business Technology Platform or BTP Integration Suite, and SAP Business Accelerator Hub team up to deliver robust APIs, a modular set of integration services, and a public catalog to discover integration possibilities. Support your most critical business processes with predefined integrations for cloud, hybrid, or on-premise systems. Accelerate integrations and reduce integration and business process implementation costs. Let's start by setting the stage and discussing integration capabilities within your SAP S4HANA Cloud solution and the SAP BTP Integration Suite. There are two primary integration patterns that are used with SAP S4HANA Cloud: prepackaged or out-of-the-box integrations and custom integrations. Prepackaged integrations provided by SAP and its partners allow seamless connections between SAP to SAP and SAP to non-SAP systems, streamlining and accelerating your implementation process. These integrations provide for direct connectivity, such as SAP S4HANA Cloud to Concur or on the BTP Integration Suite. While customized integrations leverage a comprehensive set of APIs available in SAP S4HANA Cloud that use industry-standard technologies like SOAP and OData, providing your development teams with the flexibility to develop for their specific use cases. In this demo, you'll experience the simplicity of deploying these delivered integrations with just a few straightforward steps. Additionally, you'll discover the wide range of APIs available that help you seamlessly integrate or extend SAP S4HANA Cloud business processes while adhering to lifecycle compliance. The SAP BTP's Integration Suite further enhances this process with a wealth of accelerators, offering models, template integrations based on common patterns, and adapters and connectors for over 250 third-party systems. Let's explore SAP BTP's Integration Suite capabilities. SAP BTP Integration Suite is a powerful solution designed to integrate seamlessly, accelerate connectivity, and connect everyone and everything across your enterprise. The Integration Suite has many capabilities, including a robust runtime for integrations, API management, event mesh, and several design time tools to accelerate integrations, such as the Integration Content Advisor for EDI integrations. At the heart of SAP BTP Integration Suite is the mission to integrate everything. This means breaking down silos, connecting disparate systems, and creating a unified digital landscape within your organization. One of the many highlights of the Integration Suite is its rich variety of prepackaged content. Essentially a collection of ready-to-deploy integration solutions that drastically reduce development time and effort. These create a fast lane for deployment, acting as ready-to-use building blocks that seamlessly integrate popular applications and services, saving you valuable time and resources. You can find these different adapters, connectors, integration packages, and APIs from a one-stop publicly available website called the SAP Business Accelerator Hub, which is conveniently located at hub.sap.com. Here, you're able to discover content seamlessly to meet all your integration and extension needs, explore different products, categories, business processes, partners, featured APIs, and integrations, uncover integrations not only across SAP products, but also between SAP products and third-party offerings, and make use of workspaces to kickstart your integration development promptly. And you can test APIs in both sandbox environments and against configured systems, including your own SAP S4HANA Cloud tenants. Lastly, before the demo, here are 3 example integration scenarios with non-SAP solutions that run on SAP BTP Integration Suite. These packages include integrations that replicate data with S4HANA Cloud and also provide all the necessary documentation for the applications and integration configuration. This helps you set up these integrations in your landscape quickly. For example, the Salesforce package includes many integrations such as replicating customers or orders, And the Workday integration allows you to replicate employees, cost centers, exchange rates between Workday and S4HANA Cloud. Now let's see the solution in action. Start by visiting the Business Accelerator Hub and explore the available content. On the overview page at hub.sap.com, you will find a list of products. Select SAP S4HANA Cloud. Before exploring the integration packages, let's take a look at APIs. You can find a catalog of services and objects tailored for integration developers on the top navigation bar. Click on APIs, then navigate to OData APIs. Here, search for sales orders. Select the sales order A2X API. This initial screen provides information on how to use the API, including communication arrangements, metadata downloads, and scope items that include the APIs. To test the API, click the Try Out button. The Business Accelerator Hub includes a sandbox where you can test APIs from a read-only perspective. For example, if you want to retrieve the top 3 sales orders using the OData command, top, type 3 and click Run. You'll see the JSON payload for these 3 sales orders, allowing you to understand the data structure and explore the fields in their data. You can also modify your OData filters. Also, you can connect the Accelerator Hub to your own S4HANA Cloud system and test all API operations against your system and data. This is extremely valuable because you can test the APIs not only with your data, but also your custom fields. Returning to the API screen, another valuable resource is the business documentation. It provides detailed information on the API, including its structure, response details, constraints, extensibility, and more. You can explore each entity for field information, including descriptions and mandatory requirements. Perhaps most importantly, there are sample payloads for common scenarios to help you use the API effectively. These samples significantly accelerate integration development because understanding how to use the API is often one of the initial steps in new development to determine if it meets your requirements. This is a sample JSON payload that showcases how to create different sales orders. You can start testing the API with this payload using an API testing tool like Postman or the Accelerator Hub. Returning to the SAP Business Accelerator Hub and the S4HANA Cloud application, let's explore Discover Integrations. Here, you'll find a list of delivered integration packages available with S4HANA Cloud. While SAP to SAP packages like SuccessFactors, Concur, and Ariba are listed, you'll also see Business to Government or B2G packages for tax and compliance and third-party systems. Clicking on a package, such as S4HANA Cloud integration with Salesforce, will present you with a list of integration flows or iFlows for integrating Salesforce with S4HANA Cloud. Navigating into the Salesforce tile, here is a package, S4HANA Cloud integration with Salesforce. Within your package, you're presented with a list of all integration flows or iFlows that are included for me to integrate Salesforce with S4HANA Cloud quickly. If you select a single iFlow, like replicate account from S4HANA Cloud to Salesforce, you'll find that the iFlow is easy to understand, even for non-developers. In this case, the flow queries SAP S4HANA Cloud for new or modified customers and replicates them into Salesforce after performing the data mapping. On the left, there's a link to download the package documentation, which includes all the necessary configuration steps, not only for configuring the iFlow on BTP, but also for the technical configuration steps in Salesforce and S4HANA Cloud. You can easily use this integration package on BTP by copying it. The Discovery view in BTP is sourced directly from the SAP Business Accelerator Hub, so the packages are the same. To use these iFlows, configure the endpoint URLs, create the authentication objects, and deploy the iFlows for activation. These types of API activation in S4HANA Cloud are also straightforward. Another advantage of using pre-packaged content is that even if it doesn't meet your exact requirements, you can start with this integration and modify it to fit your scenario. For example, you might need to enrich customer data or change customer numbers. You can customize this integration to include your logic. Starting with pre-developed integrations significantly reduces your development timelines because much of the integration work is already done. In addition to the integrations, if you return to the Business Accelerator Hub and go to Explore, you'll find Adapters. Here, you can view all the adapters available out of the box to simplify connectivity to various systems and scenarios. There are also Open Connectors that abstract and simplify connectivity and querying of third-party systems. These adapters and connectors further accelerate your integration development. Now let's look at a high-level view of a sample architecture leveraging both delivered and custom integrations. SAP BTP Integration Suite serves as the integration hub for connecting SAP S4HANA Cloud with both SAP and non-SAP systems, whether they're in the cloud or on-premise. In addition, delivered packages integrate the Salesforce and other systems out of the box, but custom integrations handle the customer unique requirements. Customers can modify prepackaged integrations as well to suit their needs, thereby using them to jumpstart their integrations. You have the flexibility to choose between utilizing prepackaged integrations or leveraging the array of adapters and connectivity options to craft tailor-made integration solutions. Lastly, let's explore some key takeaways. SAP S4HANA Cloud Public Edition supports critical business processes with delivered integrations for cloud and on-premise systems, and a robust API framework for custom integration. SAP BTP Integration Suite offers a modular set of integration services covering all needs in cloud and hybrid landscapes, and provides content for SAP and non-SAP systems. And the SAP Business Accelerator Hub is a public catalog of all SAP and partner APIs to enable integration. Also, it contains delivered integration content and adapters that can be easily consumed on the SAP BTP Integration Suite. Enhance integration capabilities and reduce costs. Experience the power of accelerated prepackaged integrations with SAP.